Good morning. Just wanted to show you something so beautiful, something that I think will make you guys happy. We have dandelions downstairs over here. I'm just going to film them up close. I'm on the terrace right now. I just finished my glutes and legs workout with Sergio. If you don't follow him already on Instagram, make sure you do. We've just started working out for a week or so, and we have this intense, powerful, result-driven trainings at home. We focus both on upper body strength and of course glutes and legs, something I think every girl just wants to work out. By the way, this workout gear I'm wearing today and this beautiful mint color is from My Protein. I think I got my size wrong. You can find them down below. I'm going to link everything you need. Since this has been a super requested subject, as in what I eat in a day, I just wanted to start with breakfast and maybe share with you super healthy, the right kind of carbs loaded with protein and fruits and vitamins, breakfast to kickstart your day. And I'm just going to show you how simple it is to just get some healthy habits in your life, because once you start making the recipes and learning them, you start to appreciate them, and then it's going to be so easy to just integrate them in your routine. I did start eating oats, I think, on a daily basis. I think maybe this January. A few days ago I just made one with cocoa powder and a bit of cinnamon and an avocado mashed up and cooked into everything. So there was the chocolate creamy version of the oatmeal. There are so many options really when it comes to eating healthy, eating correct for your body to be able to get all the nutrients it needs. So this is an example of breakfast. Let's just do it and see how it tastes, because I'm super hungry. And to be honest, all I want right now is just lay over there on the cuddler and just enjoy a bit of sun, because afterwards we are going in and starting working on some projects we have ongoing. Sergio, this is where Sergio stays usually. Sergio stays over here on this cool tea candle on my WhatsApp video call, so he can see everything going on over here on the yoga mat where I'm just going to exercise usually. We have the chair today. We just had some killing glutes exercises, and the most important, we have the sun. Beautiful weather, super cool.